Killing the battery with WAPTEK. I'm doing a bunch of videos tonight, and I'm going to see if this works out. So here we go. Apocalyptic Galactic Pulse Wave Gamma Ray Energy. 27th December Prophecy. Peter Deunov, Beinsa, Douno, something or other. 1944 all the way back to 1864 is when he was alive. Or Paul LaViolette, Roberto, from Italy, who decoded crop circles after many years as Planet Nibiru Ellen Research Information Slave. By the way, there's a channel out there called Nibiru Ellen. Ellen is not an issue anymore. I don't know why this person keeps posting that. 2014, December 27th, SGR 180620, a soft gamma repeater neutron star. Neutron stars can spiral and create pulses. But anyway, 50,000 light years away, released 150,000 sun years of energy in 1/10 of a second. And this was the third starquake ever recorded, along with others in 1979 and 1998. You can't detect something before the radio signal or noise gets here. They don't travel at different speeds. You can predict that it might happen in the future because of its behavior being repeated. Soft gamma repeater neutron star. Next, something moving at the speed of light could not be observed before it hit. Communications from satellites also travel at the speed of light, so then we would only know about it after it happened, and anyone telling you they have advanced notice of an electromagnetic phenomena is full of it. Someone else's statement here. Unless it's something that keeps happening on a regular basis, which would be useful because we could study it. This was fabricable as a New Age third galactic wave form of prophecy of Peter Deunov, Beinsa, Douno. Now you can look at all this folly. Here we go. Here's another buzzword set. I'm just doing this as a stub. I'll do a better one later if I'm asked to do it, because this is a waste of time. It's already over with anyway. A Galactic Superwave Hazard Alert Update by Paul A. LaViolette, Ph.D., Nexus Magazine, Germany, August 2009. And an email at AOL, etheric, yada yada, bringing an end to the last ice age. Astronomer Paul, who rejects the notion of black holes and irrational singularity ideas, proposes that galactic centers house mother stars instead of something with a large gravity to it. Highly compact objects which continuously convert etheric energy into physical matter energy. It has got something called the Genesis of the Cosmos, the ancient science of continuous creation, beyond the Big Bang, subquantum kinetics, a system of approach to physics and cosmology. He wants to make it to where there's a continuous energy and matter source coming out of nothing. He wants the free lunch physics. That is appealing to people for some reason that want to believe this sort of thing. And if you could provide some sort of proof for it, it would be great. Or there are just really hyperdense material in time-space we call black holes. But right now it could be anything. And he's selling books. Might even still be alive. Hell. But anyway, Paul LaViolette and Peter Deunov, Beinsa, Douno. Okay, now let's look at the next one. A gradual improvement is already occurring in the thoughts, sentiments, and the acts of humans, but everybody will soon be subjugated to divine fire that will purify and prepare them in regards to the new era. Thus man will raise himself a superior degree of consciousness indispensable to his entrance in the new life, as one understands by ascension. And I'll just throw in vibrations, because vibrations is another buzzword people do if they're one of these things. During the passage of time, the consciousness of man traverses a very long period of obscurity. This phase, which the Hindus called Kali Yuga, on the verge of ending. We find ourselves today at the frontier between two epochs, that Kali and Yuga, and the new era we're entering, the age of Aquarius, blah blah blah, yada yada, yakety schmackety. Let's talk some more. Anyway, next. Some decades will pass before fire will come. Ooh, the prophecy. That will transform the world by bringing it into a moral. This immense wave comes from cosmic space, as opposed to non-cosmic space, and will inundate the entire Earth. All those attempting to oppose it will be carried off and transferred elsewhere. You'll be punished for not being a believer. Although the inhabitants of this planet cannot all find themselves at the same degree of evolution, or higher vibration, of course, but the new way will be felt by each one of us, and this transformation will not only touch the Earth, but will assemble the entire cosmos. Best and only thing that man can do now is to turn towards God to improve themselves consciously, to elevate their vibratory level. I knew they had to throw that in there. So they find themselves in harmony with the powerful wave that will soon submerge him and drown you in your inner zonk. It's New Age bull crap. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.